wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with another hit and a smash and a bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, and we're back inside the cut again. You don't know, we're back with an artist that's no stranger to this channel. This artist actually Silk Boss. Have we reacted to Silk Boss before on the channel? I think we have reacted to Silk Boss before on the channel. But yeah, Silk Boss dropped a brand new song today, actually, entitled Perfect Body. It's a new song and a new video. I'm gonna check it out and see what I want from what we see so far. You know, it seems very colorful, very, you know, it seems like it's gonna be a very up type song, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you're new to the channel, guys, please go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. Alright, I'm returning these videos and subscribe and do them love and like cook food. But yeah, man, people, when you see from the title, it's a Silk Boss drop a brand new tune named Perfect Body. And if everybody know, you know, Silk Boss been in the media lately, we have one about controversy and one about drama and mix up and thing there. But that's not when they have to address that today. But we're gonna check out the new tune and a new video. So definitely hit that like, subscribe, comment in the comment section. You don't know what things said, we'll jump right in the track. Let's get it.
That's the vibe. Hey girl, let me know. Perfect body with a perfect smile, me see it too. Curvy waist with the line in me like your face like a shiny. Special girl when me find this. Yeah, do what she say.
Nah, gonna lie, you know, Silk Boss, dog. You're talented, brother, and you have a flow and a sound, the dog, right now. You see me? So right now you need to focus and, you know what I'm saying, really take full advantage of what's going on. You see me? You know, hopefully all the things that are going on in the media, and hopefully I'm not true, and hopefully, you know, you can get back and focus on track and keep on making music. You're really talented, dog. You have some mad tune with you, now, like, let's get it.
Texting me, I twitch. She come link me in a private, and tonight she a my bitch. Girl, come wine by the ice bed. Girl, the pussy good and me fit tell you. He ever clean and he no carry something yellow.
Oh, bala, me like the flow there. Come in. I'll take it from the top. Come in.
That's the vibe. Hey girl, let me know. Perfect body with a perfect smile, me see it too. Curvy waist with the line in me like yeah.
Hey yo, you say perfect what? Perfect body with a perfect smile, like your curvy body with the line. Dog, no easy. I stretch my dog at all.
Face like a shiny. Special girl when me find this. Yeah, do what she sexy me I twitch. She come. Take me in a private, and tonight she a my bitch. Girl, come wine by the ice bed. Girl, the pussy good and me fit tell you. He ever clean and he no carry something yellow. I must see what's thing up on the make it.
Girl, the pussy good and me fit tell you. You carry, and you know you're easy now, man.
Swell up when we a fuck your pussy come on like a ever. So listen what.
They flow them mad, me not lie. They flow them mad.
Me say no, girl, I want me tell you. Your pussy clean and he no carry something yellow. I must see what's thing up on it, make it swell up.
Okay, I say, yo, you're something good at me if you tell you. You carry something and you know yellow. I must see what's thing up on it, make it swell up. Bala. Easy Silk Boss.
Me a fuck your pussy come on like a ever. So listen what me say now. Just take your time to sit. Palm my body like a chip and they don't buy me it. She full of dynamics, I can't become with hydraulics. When butter years I call my phone, me nah know you see. She have a grip.
Dog, so when butter years I call my phone, me nah know you see.
She have a clue, I know say that the true. Any pussy give me cocky, it and make it butter bruise. Girl come in my room, and me give her for my broom. I know say that the true. Any pussy give me good and me fit tell you. He ever clean and he no carry something yellow.
Bala. Girl, pussy good and me fit tell you. He ever clean and you something yellow. I must see be sneaking up and he make it swell up. Bala.
I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy come on like a ever. So listen what me say now. Girl, I want me tell you. Your pussy clean.
Yo, that song I got body, no? That song I got big, you know? Me not lie. Silk Boss, I find the one I youth. You find the tune I youth.
And he no carry something yellow. I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy come on like a ever. So listen what me say now. Oh, girl, me love and whining. It's like like it and timing, girl. Your body look good, you left me there wonder who did the designing, girl.
Yo, the youth are sick, but I like. See, boss, big up yourself, my G. You see me?
Heavy waist with the lining, pretty hair with the twining there, twining there. Girl, the pussy good and me fit tell you. He ever clean and he no carry something yellow. I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. Yeah. When we up fuck your pussy come on like a heaven. So listen what me say now, girl, what me tell you. Your pussy.
Palap, yo, tune that bad money, girl, I'm gonna love that one now, yo. Hey, the one that was trending, me nah lie. A couple of hours ago, you drop it, oh? Yo.
Clean and he no carry something yellow.
Wait till it's soaking.
I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy come on like a heaven. So listen what me say. Perfect body with a perfect smile, me see it too. Curvy waist with the lining, me like your face like a shiny. Special girl, where me find this? Yes, to watch she sexy, me I twitch. She come.
Yeah, man. You're flowing your lyrics, dog. Melody and everything, beat choice and everything, and the whole video and all everything work. Yeah, man, yeah. A simple choppings is for your still, boss, dog. You're talented, dog. A simple thing to see, dog. From see everything, from everything. You see me? It's like enough force. You see me? Yeah, man, enough force. Yeah, there's something where you can just naturally do. You see me? Yeah, man.
Come link me in a private, and tonight she my bitch. Girl, come wine by the ice bed. Girl, the pussy good and me fit tell you. He ever clean and he no carry something yellow. I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy come on like a heaven. So listen what me say now, girl, what me tell you. Your pussy clean and he no carry something yellow. I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy.
Yeah, man, tune bad, come here.
Pussy come on like a heaven. The true and the pussy give me good and me fit tell you. He ever clean and he no carry something yellow. I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy come on like a heaven. So listen what me say now, girl, what me tell you. Your pussy clean and he no carry something yellow.
Yo, that man, the tune and mad, dog. So when this working, it's probably like a running whole summer, you know. Big man thing. Yeah, man, come on, somebody come with them, you know. Nobody now flow like this again, dog. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is the answer, man.
I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy come on like a heaven. So listen what me say, oh. Your pussy good and it give me some yellow. I must see what's thing up and he make it swell up. When we a fuck your pussy come on like a heaven. So listen what me say, oh. Yeah, what me tell you. Your pussy good and it give me some yellow.
Yeah, man, about now come with them catchy tune and them flowing melody tune and more. For real, man, back to basics to them, say, boss. I find it, me G. Mad move. I just survive music. Yeah, man, you do your thing. Silk boss. Yeah, man, you do your thing. Even Terror Down, you do your thing. Cause you find a young youth. You see me, you see say dog have a talent and give him a chance. So big up to you all now. Yeah, man, keep doing your thing. That keep growing, developing and everything. And, you know, your tune have a shot and take over a world. Yeah, man, you're fully talented. You see me, so keep it coming down. I say tune no force or nothing. You see me, it's like a natural thing for you. You see me? So yeah, man. Till next time, guys. You don't know it's your boy Jambisco. Let me know what you want me to react to next. We discuss it in the comment section. And definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know it's a Jambisco senior. You see me? Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.